see you, Herman. I got.
What you mean you can't see me?
I got side head movement protection going on, so I sure do love Fig Newtons, though.
Hey man, raise your head forward, man. Don't nobody eat no damn Fig Newtons. Kids don't even know what Fig Newtons are today. Please don't tell me you feeding your kids Fig Newtons.
Hey, they gotta know what I grew up on. Fig Newtons was the I did good in school dessert.
Man, nobody want no damn Fig Newtons. Better get them kids some Oreos.
Oh wait, hey, we can't be talking about food. Here's
the food monster.
Yeah, the diet monster.
The diet monster is on. What you checking, Chris? What you checking?
Try to make sure they're
all good.
Only gonna make 400 horsepower, but we want to make sure it doesn't go nowhere.
Right. So can you say what it did at 6,000 RPM, Chris? Chris, bring us up to speed. Where we at?
Third dyno revision from Mr. Dwayne Biddle. Loading it in right now. So far doing really, really good. First full throttle test hit, it just went 954 horsepower. Pretty good.
At what RPM?
5,100. We'll see what we do next.
What did it do on that one, Chris?
1,049, baby.
What? 1,029?
49.
1,049? At what RPM?
That was about 6,000-ish range.
Get some more ice? Want me to get some ice?
Still warm.
Bring 2 bags.
Yes, 2 bags.
You want to pack it extra tight, Chris, or that's how you want it?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
So right now what we're doing is we're getting ready to do run number 3. So we're getting ready to do run number 3, but we're icing the blower down so that way it gets a little bit colder than what it's been. Today's kind of hot and gross. So now that we got ice flowing through our water pump for the supercharger, we're gonna go ahead and load this tune in from Dwayne and see what it does on run number 3. Hang on, I gotta call in the air traffic control. That just did 1,062 and 1295 torque.
What RPM did you take him up to?
That was right at about 6,000 RPM. So,
Mr. Herman, we gave you grilled nuggets. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You say onions?
grilled nuggets.
Oh, grilled nuggets. Yeah, yeah, chicken is chicken.
So, we pulled.
Marlene, you putting me on a diet? Chris.
Got your grilled nuggets.
Instead of fried nuggets. Welcome to my.
Everybody's going on a diet.
Welcome to your world. Yeah, we
Send help.
I get adequate food and adequate clothing.
we need the signals.
Evan's about to start
I love it here.
Oh wait, I lied. They're right here.
Oh, thank you. Those are your grilled nuggets. And thank you, Marley. Miss Marley. Okay, so what are we talking about, Chris?
So changes we made some of my changes that I do to the engines.
Mm-hmm.
Right. I didn't change pistons and rods or the crank. None of that. We did some of my changes to it. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Pulled some boost out of it. Did a few other little things. Can't really tell you about. And now you are officially 30 horsepower more than your best with less boost, changes to the engine, and you know, like I said, talking to her right. You just got to talk to her right. And she's like, I like it here. I love it here. I'll make you all kinds of horsepower. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you. We're not even all the way to redline yet. 1,062-ish horsepower and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. It's insane. So she's doing really well, and that's why we're the best.
Here go your monster truck. Here plugs.
Yeah.
Look at him.
I can't find my headphones, so I got to take my kids.
Y'all know he took that from his kids.
Are they lighting up?
Yeah, they lighting up. They got the light on them.
We'll probably try to get it colder. It's at about 83 right now.
83?
Yeah.
So what, are you going to turn it on and let it circulate?
Yeah, it's already on and running.
Need another bag of ice?
Oh no, she's ice cold. Ice cold, baby. All right, I'm ready.
Pack it up.
Done. That's a mic drop.
Just
Done.
a mic drop. Just a mic drop. What we got, babe?
1129. 7,000 RPMs.
1129
1129 and 1338 on
foot-pounds of torque.
no nitrous yet.
No nitrous. All right, what's next, Chris? We're gonna put the juice on it.
Shit, all you got next is slapping the shit out of all them shit talkers. A new spark plug to test.
So what did it do?
1126, 1304 torque versus 1129. So did pretty good.
The hell? Where's Chris going? Ain't got no lights. Where you go for a little spin?
Yeah, it needs an alignment.
Okay. I'll get
So
it up
this
there.
this is straight.
Uh-huh.
See where that's at?
Uh-huh. Got it.
So I just wanted to check the alignment, make sure it was good.
I'll get it up there to my people. How you think them tires look? Yeah. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.